Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I think post-lunch, it's always a difficult session. So I'm going to try my best to ensure that everybody stays awake. So we'll start with a story first. So the session is, I think we have heard many speakers till now. It's all about seamless skies and creating intelligent experiences. But, let me start with a story that what does every time when my wife is traveling, what is she thinking and dreaming of? What kind of things is she expecting from airlines end to end? And if you go to the next slide, sorry, yeah, so here she is, and imagine she is just landed in Lisbon to meet me from Dubai. Now, what kind of things is she expecting from airlines end to end? And that is an important word for this session for next 12 to 13 minutes. She is thinking many things. She is thinking about baggage coming on which particular belt at what time. And it's important because today we deal with baggage on number and there is no time metric. It's only about first bag. And I'm not bothered about first bag. I'm bothered about my own bag. She's thinking about, walk from gate to where to go and pick up the Uber from. She's thinking about where to, go to immigration line from. If there are multiple gates, if you're taking a connecting flights, she's thinking about where to go in the immigration. She is not a traveler who's traveling once in 5 years. She's traveling every 3 months. It's still a struggle. Think about all of us. All of us are business traveler. All these questions are still bothering us every day, every time you travel. Every time I've spoken to many travelers like me, the biggest question in their mind is when they're on connecting flights that I should keep a buffer of 2 hours in between. Why should you keep a buffer of 2 hours if everything is connected? Now let me talk about, today's session. My name is Jitender Mohan. I work with WNS. I'm the EVP and Travel Business Unit Head in WNS. All we do across WNS is building productized offerings to create Agentic AI solutions for improving customer experiences across all processes. So today's session is all about co-creating intelligent experiences. What is the hindrance? If everything is available, all of us are creating so many assets, whether it is AI company, whether it is airline companies, whether it is technology companies, then why there is such a big hindrance to what we expect, what my wife is expecting out of this process? Disparate systems, templatized automation, business solutions, reactive support and scripted solutions, and data-rich insight poor. But if you look at the metrics which are published by the industry, 83% on-time performance, 98% baggage arrival, 39 net promoter score, and 4.39 on ease of traveling index. Now imagine the disconnect between the metrics and real customer experience. And the issue between customer experience and these metrics is all the things written on this slide. Now, how do you solve for it? That's where we'll focus on. See, from transaction to trust is where we believe the journey is going to be. Now, from legacy CX, where everything is about disparate, disconnected systems, you have information at airline level, you have information at booking level, you have information at airport level, you have information at Uber level or the car company level, you have information at food level. All information is available, but is it really able to create business insights to improve customer experience? The answer is no today. So what does intelligent experience gonna look like in future? It is all about moving into agentic AI solutions where it is not about answers, it is about decisions, thinking, logic, and autonomy. And that's where the future of airline industry is going to be. And it's no more a science fiction. It is possible. And we'll show you a demo. We'll show you some examples in real action where Agentic AI is really, really improving customer experience. And the other side on this slide you will see is advanced analytics. Now, technology is as good as long as the domain knowledge and process complexity is understood well. And advanced analytics is actually the radar of AI. Every AI solution, if your analytics solution and your business complexity knowledge is strong, you will be able to deliver truly a business outcome driven metric. And that's where, we believe that the catch is going to be in business knowledge, algorithm, and AI alone are not enough. You need to have advanced analytics to deliver all of this. So industry experience, data harmonization, AI is equal to real use case. And you will see some real use case as we move ahead. Now, these are some of the things in action. We've spoken about AI, every organization is talking about it, but how many use cases are truly happening in the AI world? And if you see with our domain knowledge, process complexity knowledge, and our technology, assets we have created, we've been able to create many use cases which are in productized environment even today. Virtual assist, agent assist, which are solutions which is about voice chat assistants, including language complexity to be taken off. Gen AI agents for booking refunds, Gen AI agents for baggage and claims. Now, all these are problems where our experts deal with today globally. And today, when we have created Gen AI agents, they are actually solving all these solutions autonomously. So again, these are some of the examples. There are many more. Today when we speak, as I speak in our own, data science lab, there are 50 use cases under production as we speak today. And what we call it as Aviation suite is actually powered by WNS Trevog. Trevog is our productized offering where all the business problems are solved through platform offering we have. Now, if I go to the next slide, this is just to show you a demo, because talking about examples is one thing, but showing you a true demo of disruption. If we can just increase the volume.
Travel management solution keeps you informed with real-time disruption alerts for your selected cities and airports. If any issues arise on your travel dates, you'll be notified immediately, allowing you to make an informed decision, proceed with the booking, or adjust your dates to avoid disruptions. Let us now see how the disruption alert helps a user with their upcoming trips. Travel Management Solution continuously monitors your booked trips, identifying any potential disruptions that may impact your upcoming or ongoing travel. If an issue is detected, you'll be promptly notified, allowing you to adjust your plans as needed. You can easily modify trip details with just a click, whether through the portal, email, or chat. If changes to one leg of your journey affect any subsequent bookings, Travel Management Solution will alert you, ensuring you can make informed decisions and plan ahead with confidence.
See, what you just saw, again, this is an example of many solutions which are available today. But are the solutions end-to-end solving the problem or not is a question we have to ask. Is there a disruption management solution? Yes, it is available. Is there a text analytics solution available? Yes, it is available. Is there an itinerary builder available? I'm sure a couple of companies are doing it. But are you able to do it together? Now, what you just saw was a small glimpse of where a disruption situation has happened, which is bound to happen at some point of time. How do you deal with the disruption situation with empathy and with customer experience at core, not at processes at core? So right from predictive analytics, knowing it proactively, to solving it, to giving them solutions, to exactly personalizing the solution. So all of this in one solution has been actually created and is a great example of the point of things we are talking, which are stress today. Every time a travel is stress, how do you kill those stress points and convert those stress points into customer experience, positive situation, delight situation, is one of that example is this. Now I will just close the discussion with this slide, which is about treating AI as actually a customer promise, rather than treating AI as something which is solving a business problem. And why do you want to do that customer promise? Because it's all about building trust. Every transaction, every interaction we are doing with our customers is actually all about building trust. Every moment is a test of trust building, and that's how AI has to be seen. Domain is critical because that's where real AI action happens. Otherwise, it's just a good to have solution with no real impact on business metrics. Building ecosystem is like we saw, disparate systems. Everybody can claim green metrics, but if you speak from customer's eye, it's completely a watermelon metric. Everybody is green, but customer is not happy. And that's where building ecosystems and not silos, so which means success has to be measured not by NPS, by trust. And in the end, I will only say that seamless skies is not about not having disruptions, not having turbulence. It's all about having an ecosystem which is talking to each other and solving customer issues and problems proactively. Thank you.